What if you could create your own game world, publish it, and earn crypto from it, all without writing a single line of code? Well, I've just landed in a gamer's paradise, and it's actually much easier than you think. So, here we are on the homepage of the Sandbox, and as you can see, it's genuinely a very visually appealing website. So, what I'm going to do now is just walk you through the main points. Just from having a browse at the start, obviously they've got a new collection season, avatar owners and all that. Looking further down, you can see the different experiences you can get involved in. There's Gen Boo's Travel. This is a game you can just jump in and play. There's the Method Man, the Smurfs. That was something I loved as a kid, so this is definitely one that would catch my interest. And obviously, you can go into Discover More to see exactly how many different experiences there are. So if you're someone who likes creating games, this is perfect for you to start getting involved in this community. Straight away, it's just so visually appealing. I mean, for me, Chapa Chop City, that really stands out. The Smurfs. These are all games that I particularly like to play as well. So we're going to jump over to the map interface just so I can show you what it looks like, right? And this is basically how the land is owned by people, right? It's about people with their games, and this is something you'd be buying. You'd be purchasing land and putting your game on it, and then people would come. They would pay crypto to use it, obviously. So again, you'd publish your game onto a piece of land. One way to earn sand is to submit your experience to Sandbox game jams, which are competitive events that reward creators for their games. Anyone who loves games, anyone who likes to get involved, they come here and play it. So you, yourself, as someone who can actually create a game, I would definitely be putting it on here for people to play. Now, again, moving down, you can see the Create and Earn section. So join Create Jam events, build experiences, complete monthly challenges, win land, and more amazing prizes. So to fund your big ideas, do you want to learn about the new Game Maker Fund model? You can apply today to turn a great idea into huge success. And if you go ahead and click that, it'll take you to a stream which will show you how to do this. So again, it's really important to remember that you don't need to code this. You just basically drag and drop your ideas. You put down your quest, you put down your enemies, and then you watch your game come to life. And this can really be anything, right? It can be RPGs, it can be platformers, it can be social hubs, it could be branded adventures. It's really anything you want it to be. And the thing is, these assets can be imported from the marketplace or just built from scratch. Really your call. And as I was saying, obviously that's in the launch your own experience. And then down here, these are to visit the experiences of our partners. These are all the different partners that are involved, right? If you want to be a landowner, just click buy land and get involved, right? Now, probably one thing you're going to want to talk about is the monetization of all of this, okay? So you have a couple of routes. You can't sell complete games in the Sandbox marketplace. Instead, creators sell individual voxel assets, such as characters, items, and props in the marketplace. It's really your call, and so you can try to win some sand and go ahead and get featured. And the land-based games, can either be, gated, free, or reward-based. Experiences in the Sandbox aren't gated. Every experience is free for players to actually jump into. Create it yourself. You can go ahead and design branded avatars and actually sell them as NFTs. You have a lot of options here. Now, obviously, to get involved, the links are in the description below. So go ahead, click those, then you'll be able to, get integrated yourself. But definitely go ahead and check it out. If you're someone with ideas, a creator, a gamer, then this is the place that you need to be. So just like in the Sandbox, you buy full avatars. The costumes aren't separate wearable items for other avatars. So I do have a couple of additional points that I want to talk about here. Number 1, landowners get early access to new features and drops. Number 2, the Game Maker tutorials are available for beginners and pros alike. Number 3, the creator leaderboard tracks the top builders and rewards them with sand. So if you've ever dreamt about building your own virtual world, then this has all the tools that you need. Just grab a land parcel, fire up the Game Maker, and start getting rewarded for your creativity. The Builders Challenge is the perfect time for you to begin. So if you've ever dreamed of building your own game or your own gamer world, then this is the toolkit. So go ahead, grab land, fire up the Maker, and start earning from your creativity. And the thing is, the Builders Challenge is the perfect time for you to launch.